Did you see?
¿Por qué tiene los ojos cerrados?
Pero, are you awake? Wait, Mera, you see this guy right here? This guy?
You see me? Now you don't.
Y this one's missing.
What is going on, guys? It is me, Victor, back again, and welcome back to my shop. And as you guys seen in the last episode, I ended up dropping the valve while replacing the valve seals. So in this video, I'm gonna look for that valve. I'm gonna show you guys where that valve ended up, pulling out the head, installing the valve back in place, and showing you guys all them goodies that is going on while doing all that stuff. So yeah, sit back and enjoy the video.
Mi amor, 911 called me and beeped. He called me, me dijo 911, llámame. Que el niño's coming. Mira eso.
¡Mira ahí!
Míralo ahí. Yeah, déjame mandarle para que he can understand. A ver si entiende un poco. A ver.
So alright guys, so head is out and yeah, we found it. Look at where he's at. Dude, let's see this thing's focused right there. He's right here. Jeez, she wants to commit suicide. So anyway, since I got it out now, I got the head right here on the floor, so I'm gonna get it all cleaned out real good and install it off the car right now so I don't drop it again, and then install the brand new head gasket. I end up getting a Fair Pro head gasket. These are pretty good, and then yeah, they should hold 15 horsepower easy, no problem. So but yeah, we didn't want to end up doing this, but hey, we end up doing it. So here's the reason that I end up wanting to replace the valve seals on this motor. For some reason, number 3 is full of oil. Don't know why, and I just, you know, I noticed that when I removed the exhaust manifold, because over here you can see, and it will stain your finger every single time you pass it. It passes. So yeah, I end up replacing the valve seals for that. So I'm pretty sure that guy has to be a valve seal issue. So I'm gonna get all these things cleaned up, and then I'm gonna brake clean the whole head since it's out now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and you know, finish installing everything on it, and then I'll put it back on the car and get it running back again. spark plugs. I installed jk's. This is the part number of it. That's the part number right there. So that's the brand of jk's that I use, and there are 11, so they're pretty cold for turbo. So you go look for a 99 Civic Si, and then look for jk's spark plugs, not V-Power. And yes, this is the part number 6779. I mean, I use them. They work pretty good for these motors. I haven't had any issues, so hopefully I don't have no issue with this one and this plug. Also, I'm gonna gap them to 20,000s. Well guys, she's back up and running like nothing happened. No smoke. Now we don't have no smoke, and we don't have no burning smell out of the tailpipe, so that's a good sign. Definitely the valve stem seals and cylinder number 3, they were pretty bad. One thing that I forgot to do in this car is valve latch. I gotta check the valve latch on it. I gotta check the valve latch tomorrow, because that's something that it should be done before any dyno section. But other than that, everything is running fine. So tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and replace motor mounts all the way around, and then also install the tank and install the wideband. And then after that, we just need to wait. After that, we just gotta wait 2 more weekends, and then after that, I'll be done with that other Civic, the red one out there. That red one, also sim cam turbo, because I want to take both cars at the dyno the same day. So hopefully we get 450 horses out of both, you know. 200. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. Also hit that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Also, you know, like, comment, and then share. So yeah guys, until the next one, peace out. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned for more. Pretty soon I'll be taking it to the dyno, so I have a couple more videos to do on it. Pretty much is installing the AEM wideband, AEM boost gauge, also injectors and some other stuff. I think I'm gonna have to double check, just be like a dyno prep video. And then after that will be the dyno video. So yeah guys, stay tuned for those videos coming out.